What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to swap coins on Ledger Nano S. So you might be wondering how to exactly do so. Well, this one is fairly easy. So first things first is you want to go ahead and just log in or access your account here. Now at the left side, you may want to access the repeating icon or the circular icon that you see here at the left side. So you want to go ahead and click on that swap icon. Now, once you've done that, you should be able to see the swap window. Now in the swap window, you have the option to set your, in this case, transaction. So the use send section is going to be the crypto that you are going to convert. Now the receive section is going to be the section that, or in this case, the crypto that you want to receive. So in this case, you want to go and just click on that crypto, each of them, so the use send and your receive section, and set them accordingly. So you could go and choose your assets here. Now, once you've chosen your assets, you could go ahead and basically go to the right side here, and you now have the option to view the, in this case, available networks here. Now, in this case, by the way, each network have their own network fee, so go ahead and choose one that you want. So the cheapest one you could get here is going to be Inch, so you can go ahead and just choose Inch here. And in Inch, once you select Inch here, it should redirect you to their page. Now, what you need to do is you need to confirm a few things, like what you are going to pay here and the amount you're going to receive. But once you're sure, just click on the swap button that you see at the bottom right of your screen. Now, from here on, it should give you the option or the pop-up here that you're going to see right now. Now, what you need to do is you just need to review a few things, the transaction here, make sure details are correct, and also you need to sign the transaction. So in this case, you want to open up the 1inch app here on your device and basically connect your ledger here and confirm a few things. And once you've done that, you should be good, and that should complete your transaction. So yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.